Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in business mathematics, and that topic is situational problems about adding and subtracting. Ang haba, no? Subtracting decimals. Dito natin lagay. Decimals. Previously in the last video, we have discussed the notion of what a decimal is, its types, and the fundamental operations, the first two fundamental operations about decimals, the addition and the subtraction. But for now, we will be discussing some word problems concerning how do we add and subtract decimals in a practical example. Kasi di ba in business mathematics, we usually talk about problems involving the community. So, di ba sa communities natin yung mga monetary involvements, it involves decimals, yung mga hindi naman yan palaging 20 pesos buo. May mga prices na in decimal representation. Ngayon, let's have a quick examples about it. But first, let's change the color of the pen to maroon. Ngayon, let's read the first example, shall we? Halimbawa 1. The following household bills were paid by Micah for the month of December 2023. And the following household bills were given in the following matter. Electric bill is 4,798.23 pesos. The water bill is 577.15 pesos. The telephone bill is 1,013.68 pesos. And lastly, the cable bill is 500.12 pesos. And the problem asks us, how much should be left of Micah if she has 15,000 pesos available? Now, she will be paying the household bills. Now, let's compute. Magkano yung matitira? Yun yung tinatanong eh. Now, let's have a solution. Let's have a solution for this. Ngayon, ano alam natin fact? Ano alam natin? Yung fact natin is that Micah has 15,000 pesos available. Yun yung alam natin. Yun yung alam natin sa problem. Ngayon, first, ano una natin gawin? Add all the bills. All the bills. Paano yan? So, magiging mangyayari dito, EB, which means electric bill, not Itbulaga, magiging, diba, 4,798.23 pesos. Sunod, the water bill, WB, di na natin lalagyan ng peso sa lahat. Yung una lang, diba, accounting rule, 577.15 pesos. Sunod, telephone bill, which is TEB, yan ay 1,013.68 pesos. Sunod, lastly is the cable bill, which is how much? 500.12 pesos. Doon sa previous video, tinuruan ko kayo na lagyan ng 0 yung mga bakante para magkaroon ng alignment. Diba? Yan lang naman ang bakante. Ngayon, in color green, yun yung sagot. Add natin. 3 plus 5, 8, plus 8, 16, plus 2 is 18, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4, plus 6, 10, plus 1, 11, carry 1. Yung decimal point, alignment, ito dito lalagay. 1 plus 8, 9, plus 7, 16, plus 3 is 19. 1, carry 1. Ngayon, magiging 1 plus 9, 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 1, 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8, plus 5, 13, plus 5, 18. Carry 1. Tapos 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6,000. Ganyan mo peso sign. 6,889.18 pesos. Yan na ba yung sagot? Hindi. Yan yung total bill pa lang. Ngayon, ano susunod na step natin? Ganito, i-verify muna natin by adding all of the bills using our calculator. Ngayon, ito, may trusty calculator. Ano yan? 4,798.23 plus 577.15 plus 1,013.68 plus 500.12. Ang sagot, naka-fraction. Ang galing. So, as a scientific calculator, yan. 6,889.18 ang sagot sa cycle, di ba? Ngayon, if we go back, makikita nyo, it is the same. Okay, wala tayong problema doon. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng working equation. Working equation. Ano yung working equation natin? Di ba pansinin nyo, para malaman kung magkano yung natira, ang mangyayari, yung cash on hand, isosubtract natin yung total bill. Total bill. Ano ba yung cash on hand natin? Di ba yung cash on hand natin is yung presented dun sa fact. Ito yung cash on hand. Ano yun? Yung 15,000. Ano yung total bill? Ito yun. Total bill. So, mangyayari, the problem will be simplified as a subtraction problem. So, mangyayari, this is the cash on hand, which is 15,000 pesos. Tapos, ito yung total bill, which is TB. Ngayon, kaya alam nyo na kung bakit TEB to, TEB. Kasi yung TB is for total bill. Ano yan? 6,889.18. Tama, 18. Tapos, this will be a subtraction problem. Lagyan mo pala ng addition to indicate na addition. Ngayon, how do we suppose to do that? Color green. Ngayon, di ba hindi ka pwede 0 minus 8 is impossible. Puro zeros to. So, dito ka magbaborrow. By the way, hindi ko pa na nagawa. Lagyan mo ng 0 yung mga bakante. So, ito, bakante to. Ngayon. Ba tayo sa green? Ano ito? Di ba 4 to? So, magiging 9, 9, 9, 9. Pero yung pinaka-last 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. Decimal point, pantay. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 again is 1. Tapos ito. 4 minus 6 is impossible. So, magiging 0 to. Magiging 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. So, the total answer is 8,110.18. Ay lalagyan natin ng pinaka-conclusion kasi in word problems, nilalagyan mo ng solution ng Micah will be left with 8,110.82 after paying the household bills. And hopefully that 8,000 will be bought by I don't know, shoes sa husband niya or kung sino makasama niya sa bahay. I don't know lang. Pero ngayon, let's verify muna using our calculator if tama ba yung ginawa natin. Di ba may 15,000? Subtract mo yung 6,889.18 which will result, fraction na naman. Pindot nyo to, 8,110.82 which is the same dun sa nakuha natin. Okay? Yan, ganun lang naman yun basically, yung working equations. Medyo madali lang naman siya, di ba? Tama. Ngayon, magpapalit tayo na. May isa pa tayong problem before we end this video. Ngayon, halimbawa 2, 6 months ago, Micah, the same woman in the word problem before, Micah spent 20,341.50 in periodic car maintenance. Kailangan kasi na maintenance ng kotse. If she spent 16,044.65 in her current periodic car maintenance, first, ibig sabihin, nagmura from the 20,000 naging 16,000. Ang tanong ng problem na to, how much is the difference in the amount for the car periodic maintenance? Diba? Magkano yung pinagkaiba? So, anong mangyayari? This is a subtraction problem once again. So, let's have the solution. Paano mangyayari dito? Yung given natin, given. The previous, magkano yung previous? Is ito, 20,341.50. And the current, ano ba yung current natin? Hindi na natin lalagyan ng peso sign kasi nga, 16,044.65. And this is a subtraction problem. Kaya lagyan yung operation. Ngayon, wala kang lalagay na 0 kasi nga, pantay-pantay silang lahat. Walang may bakante, which is good. Ngayon, let's change the color green. Ayan, 0 minus 5 is impossible. Mayari. Ganito. Ayan, so magiging 4 ito. Ito magiging 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 6 is impossible, so 0 to. Magiging 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Okay. Decimal point, ipantay mo. 0 minus 4 is impossible again, so 3 to. Ito magiging 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 4 is impossible, so magiging 2. So magiging 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. Okay yun, susundan. 2 minus 0 is pwede. So, ano ba yan? 2. Ngayon, magiging 0 minus 6 is impossible again. So, magiging 1. 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Hindi natin sinasulat yung 0. So, bring down the peso sign. So, ano makakonclude natin? Therefore, palit tayo ng color ng maroon. The difference between Micah's previous and current periodic car maintenance is ito 4,296.85 pesos. Now let's check using the calculator if we have the same answer. Ayun yung purpose kaya tayo may cycle. Kasi we will, pero sa pag-compute, ito yung pan-check natin. 20,000, ano yun? 341.50 minus 16,044.65. Ang sagot is naka-fraction ulit. Cycle to. Ayan. 4,296.85. Which is the same dun sa nakuha natin. And ayun na, may gumagawa na sa background. So this indicates that this ends the video. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated the notion of how do we apply the decimals fundamental operation into problems. In the next video, we will be discussing multiplication and division of decimals. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.